Let's begin in a child's pose with your knees as wide as comfortable. Relax and make up your mind and body for the next 10 minutes. Let go of any stress and anxiety at this point of time. Rest your forehead and chest on the mat. Be fully present in your practice. Take some breaths here. From here, we will make a way to downward facing dog. Rise on the tabletop position on your hands and knees. Curl your toes under and lift your hips high. Walk out your legs and press your chest towards your thigh. Take some deep breaths over here and try to go deeper in this pose. Now take a walk to your mat and come to a forward fold. If you want, you can bend your knees for comfort. Relax your head and jaws. Now release your elbows, tuck your chin and slowly roll all your way up to standing. Bring your hands together to the heart. Soften your gaze. From here, reach your hands over to your heads. Inhale and exhale to forward fold. From here, we will do the halfway split. Have a long flat back. Inhale and exhale to come down to the floor and to step your feet back to a high plank. We will go down to low plank slowly and then move forward to upward facing dog. Feel the stretch in the lower abdomen of your body. Lift your heart up. Make sure your hands and the top of your feet are touching the floor. Stay in this position for 2 breaths and come back to downward facing dog. From here, bend your knees. Inhale. Look to the front of your mat. Exhale. Lift to halfway lift as you breathe in. Then come to forward fold while exhaling. Inhale to mountain pose all the way up and exhale to forward fold. Go for another halfway lift and exhale and come back to Chaturanga. Inhale upward facing dog and exhale downward facing dog. Look to the front of your knees. Step or hop to the front of your mat. Inhale halfway lift. Come back to forward fold. From here, come to chair pose. Sit back. Bend your knees, send your hips back and put your arms over your head. Stay here for 2 breaths and come to forward fold. Come to halfway lift, inhale and exhale to Chaturanga. Inhale upward facing dog, exhale downward facing dog. Stay here. Now lift your right leg high. Take some breaths here. Exhale and bring your right knee to touch your right elbow. Use your core here. In any time, if you are exhausted, just pause the video, have some water and start again from where you have left it. Inhale. Put your right leg high and exhale knee to nose or forehead. Inhale. Reach your right leg high and touch your right knee with left elbow. If you can't do that fully, do as much as you can. Remember, practice is the key. Inhale, reach your right leg high, exhale and step it through a low lunge. And slowly rise through warrior 2. At this position, shoulders will be strong and legs will be engaged. Stay here for 2 breaths. Remember to thank yourself for coming to the mat today. Use your core here. Now come back to reverse warrior. Reach your right arm high, left hand on the back thigh and extend your upper body. Stay here for a breath. Then curl and bring your hands to the mat and come to upward facing dog. Exhale to downward facing dog. Now we will do all of it on the left side of our body. From the downward dog position, inhale and lift your leg high. Hands strong and legs extended. Exhale left knee to left elbow. Use your core here. Inhale, lift your left leg high and exhale to bring knee to nose. Inhale, lift your left leg high and touch your knee with right elbow. Inhale, left leg high and step it through a low lunge. Come to warrior 2. Firm your upper body. Put pressure on your legs. Stay here for 2 breaths. Come to reverse warrior with your left hand high and right hand touching your right leg. Now curl your hands, bring it back to the floor and inhale and come to upward facing dog. Exhale and come to downward facing dog. Stay here for some breaths. Let your heartbeat rate calm down. Focus on the breaths. Regain your hold back on your breaths. Try to touch the head to the floor and slowly come back to the child's pose. You will feel ultimate relaxation in this pose. Stay in this pose for some breaths and finally come back to the ultimate posture or our final posture, Savasana. Lie on your back with your hands and feet relaxed, with your palms facing upwards. Feel the breath through your body. Release any tension in any part of your body. You may close your eyes if you want to. Thank yourself for taking out this time. Stay in this position for as long as you want to.